So now I'm going to tell you what the bankers don't want you to know. The 3 ways that you're being robbed right now, how to put a stop to it, and create your own tax-free cash growth warehouse. But first, a few facts for your information. First, over 50 million people in the United States have mortgage loans right now. You may be one of them. The average loan rate across the country is 3.65%. It's a nice low interest rate, isn't it? The average single family dwelling in Hawaii, we're going to deal with Hawaii because that's where I am, where I'm licensed to practice. So the average single family dwelling in Hawaii, including condominiums, townhomes, and freestanding houses, the average cost is $564,600. Typically, a 20% down payment is required. With that, you would be left with a mortgage loan of $435,600. $435,600 at 3.65% interest rate. The average length of a mortgage loan is 30 years. On a $435,000 mortgage loan over 30 years, at 3.65%, you will pay $281,000. $281,000. You will actually pay over $900,000 for a $435,000 mortgage, including tax and insurance. $900,000. But interest alone, $281,000. Does that sound like 3.65%? Not to me. The reason why is because that 3.65% is amortized over the 30 years and front-loaded on the loan. So you know how much you actually pay in interest on a $435,000 mortgage? 64.5%. Would you take a loan at that rate, knowing that that was what you would pay? I have no idea how many auto loans there are across the country, but the average price of a new car in 2016 in the United States is $28,000. Most people are financing their cars these days for between 4 and 7 years. Average interest rate across the country now is only 3.94%. Some higher, some lower. 3.94% is the average. The interest paid at 3.94% over 4 years on a $28,000 auto loan will be $2,310. Does that sound like 3.94% to you? Sounds more like 10% to me. It's actually 8.24%. Interest rate, 3.94%. And if you finance it for 7 years, you'll pay $4,083, which is actually 14.58%. 14.58%. Interest rate, 3.94. Interest paid, 8 to 15%.